Good morning, children. I hope all are fine at home. Today we are going to start our new academic year 2020 and 21. Now we start subject maths chapter 1, that is numbers 1 to 9. 1 numbers from 1 to 9. The first one, read the numbers from 1 to 9. See there, 1. One picture, that is boat. Number 1. Number name is ONE1. These are cats. How many cats are there? 1, 2. 2 cats. Number 2. Number name is TWO2. These are monkeys. How many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 monkeys. Number 3. Number name is THREE3. These are aeroplanes. How many aeroplanes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. Number name is FOUR4. These are birds. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Number name is F5VE5. These are bees. How many bees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bees. Number name is SIX6. These are balloons. How many balloons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 7. 7. Number name is SEVEN7. These are octopus. How many octopuses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Number 8. Number name is EIGHT8. These are flowers. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 9. Number name is NINE9. Go for next page. Count and write. These are pictures. You write the number in first box. Number name is second box. Okay. Let us count the pictures. These are pumpkins. How many pumpkins are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Write the number 5 in first box. Number name is second box. Okay. Number 5. Number name is F5VE5. Okay. Let us count that flowers. How many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3. Write the. These are guavas. How many guavas are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write the number 8 in first box. Write the number name is in second box. How many pictures are there? 2 pictures. That is brinjal. How many brinjals are there? 2. Write the number in first box, number 2. Another box in number name. These are fruits. How many fruits are there? Let us count and write the number and second box in number name. How many potatoes are there? Let us count the potatoes. Write the number in first box. Another box, number name. These are flowers. How many flowers are there? You count the flowers and write the number. Write the number name in second box. These are fruits. How many fruits are there? How many apples are there? Write the number in first box. Write the number name in second box. Go for next page. Grouping. Make a group of. These are pictures. How many pictures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are 9 balls. Make a group of 5 balls. Let us circle the 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Circle that 5 balls. Okay, now count the apples. How many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 apples is there. Make a group of 6 apples. Make a group of 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us circle that. Make a group of 6 apples. 4 toys. Here see, How many toys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 toys are there. Make a group of 4 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a group of 4 toys. Now see the caps. How many caps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 caps is there. Make a group of 8 caps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a group of 8 caps. Now see chocolates. How many chocolates are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 chocolates is there. Make a group of 9 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make a group of 9 chocolates. Join with the correct number. Join with the correct number. How many pictures are there? Let us count that pictures and match the numbers. See there, these are 2 trees. These are 2 trees. Match number 2. These are only one auto. Match that 1. How many caps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is number 9? To match that 9. See, these are water bottles. How many water bottles are there? 3 water bottles. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. 3 water bottles. Where is number 3? There. Yes. Match that 3. Okay. See children. Writing numbers. Writing numbers. Write numbers 1 to 9. Let us practice at home. Okay. See children. Numeral and number name. There are 5 parrots in the cage. There are 5 parrots in the cage. There are 5, F-I-V-E, 5, that is number name, parrots in the cage. Now we can say that 5 is the numeral and F-I-V-E, 5 is the number name of the number 5. Okay. See there. Numeral 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number name ONE1, TWO2, THREE3, FOUR4, F5VE5, SIX6, SEVN7, EIGHT8, NINE9. Now see the fill in the placeholder with greater than, is equal or less than. See there, is equal is 2 parallel lines or less than. Less than means looking like alphabet L. Alphabet capital L. Okay. Greater than, less than, equal to. Greater than. Match the boys with ice cream cones 1 to 1. See there, we see that one boy is left with any ice cream cone. The number of boys is greater than the number of ice cream cones. That is, 5 is greater than 4. We write it as 5 greater than 4. That is, greater than symbol is the symbol of is greater than. Less than. Match the ice cream cones with boys 1 to 1. See there, the number of ice cream cones is less than the number of boys. That is, 4 is less than 5. We write it as 4 less than 5. Less than is symbol of is less than. See there, less than, looking like alphabet capital L. Equal to. We see that each boy is matched with ice cream cone. The number of ice cream cones is equal to the number of boys. That is, 5 is equal to 5. We write it as 5 is equal to 5. Is equal. symbol of equal to. Equal to means two parallel lines. Okay. After, before. Look at the following carefully. See there, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are numbers. 4 is to the left of 5. 4 is left of the 5. 4 comes before 5. 4 comes before 5. 9 is to the right of 8. 9 is to the right of 8. 9 comes after 8. 9 comes after 8. Just before. 4 is to the left of 5. 4 is 1 less than 5. 4 comes just before 5. Just after. 9 is to the right of 8. 9 is 1 more than 8. 9 comes just after 8. Fill in the boxes. Dash is just before 2. Dash is just before 2. See there. Dash is just before 2. 2 before 1. Yes, you write that 1. Okay, now see. Dash is just before 3. Dash is just before 3. See there. Just before 3. 3 before 2. Write the 2. Okay, you understood? Good. Now see. Dash is just after 1. 1 after 2. 1 after 2. See there. 1 after 2. Write the 2 here. Dash is just after 2. 2 after 3. 2 after 3. Write the 3 here. Okay, continue this work in home. Between. 4 comes just after 3 and 4 comes just before 5. That is, 4 comes between 3 and 5. Similarly, 5 comes between 7 and 9. Fill in the boxes. Dash is between 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Between number, that is 2. See there, 2 is the answer. Okay, next box. Dash is between 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Between number 3. Yes, that is the answer 3. Now see, ascending order. See there, the ordering of numbers from the smallest to greatest is called increasing or ascending order of numbers. Ascending order means increasing the numbers. The short form is small to big. Ascending order, small to big. See there, for example, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Small to big, that is ascending order. Okay. Descending order. The ordering of numbers from the greatest to smallest is called descending or decreasing or descending order of numbers. Once again, the ordering of numbers from the greatest to smallest is called decreasing or descending order of numbers. Decreasing means big to small. See there, for example, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Decreasing. Big to small, that is descending order. Ordinal numbers. Look at the children having a sack race. See there, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and ninth. See that? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Ordinal numbers are used to tell the position of an object in a collection. Ordinal numbers are used to tell the position of an object in a collection. Okay. Now see, look at the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. These are 26 alphabets is there. Now, the last alphabet is Z. E is the fifth alphabet. E is the fifth alphabet. What is the sixth alphabet? The sixth alphabet is F. The sixth alphabet is F. Okay, you understood, children? Thank you.